Hey y'all, yeah, I forgot to mention that the unit has this nice little buttony looking thing with a clip on it. Where you can take it and clip it on yourself. Well, although nowadays everything is wireless, but if you don't want to keep charging that thing up, this unit works pretty good. I like it. I'm telling you. And I said it was 2 years, a year ago, 2017. I got this in 2016 is when I got it. So I've been using it that long. It was 2016. No. Well, anyway, I'll go verify how long I got. Anyway, see, you can push when you push it in the center, it mutes it, and then you got the volume up. You hit the positive button that goes up, and then you got the positive. You got the thing go down, and then it goes down. And it's got a little thing when you do it on the it'll go up. See that, and then this will go down like that. So it's pretty good. So I forgot to mention that. So anyway, talk to y'all later. Hope if you do like it, hey, go ahead get on out there and check it out. They'll take it back if you don't like it. All right, talk to you later.